Hello, today we're going to be talking about the division of Europe into the three language groups, the Slavic, the Germanic, and the Romance groups. We'll begin with the Slavic group. The Slavic language was once a single language, but differences developed in the 7th century AD when several groups of Slavs migrated from Asia to different areas of Europe and thereafter lived in isolation from one another. As a result, the branch can be divided into East, West, and South Slavic groups. The most widely used Slavic languages are the Eastern ones, primarily Russian, which is spoken by more than 80% of the Russian people. The importance of Russian increased with the Soviet Union's rise to power after the end of World War II in 1945. The Soviet officials forced native speakers of other languages to learn Russian as a way of fostering cultural unity among the country's diverse peoples. After Russian, Ukrainian, and Belarusian are the two most commonly used East Slavic languages. In the West, the most spoken West Slavic language is Polish, followed by Czech and Slovak. The latter two are quite similar, and speakers of the other can understand each other. The most widely used South Slavic language is the one spoken in Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Montenegro, and Serbia. When Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Montenegro, and Serbia were all part of Yugoslavia, the language was called Serbo-Croatian. This name now offends Bosnians and Croatians because it recalls when they were once in a country that was dominated by Serbs. Instead, the names Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian are preferred by people in these countries to demonstrate that each language is unique, even though linguists consider them one. Bosnians and Croats write the language in the Roman alphabet, whereas Montenegrins and Serbs use the Cyrillic. The Romance language branch evolved from Latin language spoken by the Romans 2,000 years ago. The four most widely used contemporary Romance language are Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Italian. Spanish and French are the two of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. The European regions in which these 4 languages are spoken and correspond to what boundaries of the modern states. The 5th most widely used Romance language, Romanian, is the principal language of Romania and Moldova, and is separated from the other Roman-speaking European countries by Slavic-speaking peoples. Finally, we have the Germanic branch, which is divided into the West Germanic group and the Northern Germanic group. West Germanic is further divided into High Germanic and Low Germanic subgroups, so named because they are found in high and low elevations within present-day Germany. High German is spoken in the southern mountains of Germany and is the basis for the modern Standard German language. English is classified as a Low Germanic subgroup of the West Germanic group. Other Low Germanic languages include Dutch, which is spoken in Netherlands, as well as Flemish, which is considered a dialect of Dutch spoken in northern Belgium, and Afrikaans, a language of South Africa. And finally, we have the Northern Germanic languages spoken in Scandinavia. The 4 Scandinavian languages are Swedish, Danish, and Norwegian, and Icelandic, and